Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Out here on the pond again today. Same sort of conditions as the other week. Had a lot of rain Friday and yesterday, and kind of blew out the river, although one of the creeks still in pretty good shape. So our plan today is to hit the pond, and then we're going to switch spots, run down there and see if we can get out with Eric again. As you can see, he's already back here fishing. New addition today. If you saw on Instagram, new GoPro Hero 8 with me today. A lot of better features than the one I was using. Could do a whole nother video on why I chose the 8, not the 9 and the 10. Maybe I'll do that in the future. Let me know in the comments if you're interested. Eric's already had a couple of hits, so I need to get at it. All right, gonna start off with the same lure I was using the last time I was here. See if we can get anything on that. Conditions are a little different. It's not raining buckets this morning. However, it is pretty cold. It was 28 degrees in the truck when we pulled up. So let's see how it goes. There's one. Oh, I let go. It is a pretty gorgeous morning out here. Calm winds. Sun's rising on the changing leaves over there. And somebody's out at the gun range already. There's one. Ah! I don't know if I got bit off. Yeah. Nope, I got my bait. Just let go. Man. Must be just grabbing the tail. Fish 2. Tom none. That is not the gun range. Ooh, Eric's hooked up. Looks like a good fish. Let's go take a look. First fish of the day belongs to Eric. Yeah. Yeah, I've lost 2 already. I had 1 decent hit, 1 small hit. Yeah, that's a really nice bass. Yeah. Get my camera out. I got it on the GoPro for sure. All right, guys. Hey, that's why they call it fishing, not catching. Went fishing today. Only ended up with one catch, pickerel, after my GoPro died. So stick with me. Probably going to start doing a lot more trout fishing now. Heading out early in the mornings. Temperatures are getting really cold. Bass bite is really getting tough. So probably going to switch to trout. If you like today's video, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And we'll catch you next time.